Morning students, today we are going to complete the practice set 5.2 question number 7. Okay, so as we have already in the last lecture we have seen the section formula and we have seen the midpoint formula. So we have completed the example related to the section formula, that is mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n and my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So we have seen the formula, how to describe the formula of section formula, how to solve the examples of related to the section formula, and we have completed the midpoint formula also. So this is the last question from that practice set, which is called centroid of the triangle. Okay, and after that 5.3 exercise is omitted from your syllabus. There were 3 exercises in your chapter: 5.1, 5.2 and 5.3. So 5.3 is already deleted in your syllabus for this year. Only 5.1 and 5.2 are there. So we have completed 5.1 and today we will finish this topic. Okay. So watch the video carefully till the end. Okay. So here the question is given that find the centroid of the triangle whose vertices are given below. अभी centroid बनता कहाँ? The centroid is forming in the triangle. All have you observed the triangle have 3 sides and 3 vertices. Okay, so the center point of that triangle is known to be a centroid. Suppose I am drawing the figure here, so you can easily understand. Suppose this is a triangle ABC. Suppose this is a triangle ABC, and if I made all medians, median is nothing but those point which is passing through midpoint. जैसा इसका midpoint है M, इसका मिड पॉइंट है n, इसका मिड पॉइंट है l, तो तीनों के मिड पॉइंट से जब मैं लाइन ड्रॉ करूंगा तो इंटरसेक्शन जो मिलेगा उसको बोलते हैं g, एंड g इज नथिंग बट सेंट्रॉइड. फिर से देखो, ट्राइंगल ABC इज देयर. सपोज m इज द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ BC, तो थ्रू मिड पॉइंट इफ आई ड्रॉ लाइन AM, so this become median. Suppose n is the midpoint of AC, through n if I draw BN, that is the median, and L is the midpoint of AB, then LC is the median. The point of intersection of all 3 median is said to be a centroid, and centroid is denoted by capital G. So how to calculate the capital G? Here the point A is given, point B is given, point C is given. The vertices are already given. We have to just calculate the midpoint of that triangle. Triangle ka midpoint. Centroid is nothing but the midpoint of that triangle, the center point of the triangle. Okay, so here 3 points were given. These are the vertices. So first of all we have to suppose their points capital A, capital B, capital C. You can suppose anything. You can suppose PQR also. You can suppose LMN also. So I have supposed capital A, capital B, capital C. The formula is very simple. First we have to consider capital A minus 7 comma 6 is equal to x1 comma y1. After that capital B 2 comma minus 2 is equal to x2 comma y2. Okay, and capital C 8 comma 5 is equal to x3 comma y3. So first of all we have to consider all 3 points with x1 y1, x2 y2 and then x3 y3. After considering this point, जो अभी already हम last example में भी किए थे, so there will be a 2 formulas for finding the value of g. G means x comma y. Okay, ये तुम्हारा point A था x1 comma y1, this was your x2 comma y2 b, and this is your x3 comma y3. So using these 3 points we have to calculate g, that is x comma y. So how will you calculate? So first we'll write the formula for x is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3. Understood? The formula is very simple. We have to add all 3 x coordinate, x1 plus x2 plus x3 divide by 3. कितने coordinate है 3, तो divide by 3. मिड पॉइंट में हम क्या करने के, we have to take x1 plus x2 upon 2. 2 पॉइंट लेने को डिवाइड बाय 2 करने के. अब यहाँ कितने पॉइंट लिए, 3 वर्टाइसेस है, हमको x कैलकुलेट करना है, तो x कैलकुलेट करने के लिए x1 प्लस x2 प्लस x3 अपॉन 3 करेंगे. y कैलकुलेट करने के लिए y1 प्लस y2 प्लस y3 अपॉन 3. सिंपल वेरी. इफ यू वांट टू कैलकुलेट x, देन वी हैव टू ऐड ऑल x, a का x, b का x, c का x, तीनों के x को ऐड करेंगे डिवाइड बाय 3. इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड y, then we have to add all 3 y's, that is y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. So now we have to add this. X1 is minus 7 plus x2 is 2 and x3 is 8 upon 3. Okay, what I have written, x1 is minus 7, x2 is 2, x3 is 8. दिखाई दे रहा है x1, x2, x3 first coordinate of the points. After that minus plus is minus, simple rule, minus plus is minus, minus 7 plus 2 is minus 5 plus 8 upon 3. Again minus plus is again minus, minus plus is again minus, so minus 5 plus 8 is 3, sign of greater number, and 3 upon 3 is nothing but what you will get, 3 upon 3 is nothing but 1. So if you will divide it, so you will get 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, you will get 1. Okay, so that is therefore x equal to 1. I have got the value x equal to 1. दिखाई दे रहा है सबको, x equals to 1. कैसे किए, formula is x equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3. After that x1 is minus 7, x2 is 2, x3 is 8. After that minus 7 plus 2 is minus 5, because minus plus is minus. ये मिडल साइन है देखने का, दोनों साइन का रिजल्ट लेने का. माइनस प्लस इज माइनस, देन 7 is subtracted by 2, that will be 5. The sign of greater number is minus, then plus 8 is same. After that minus plus again minus, 5 में से 8 गया 3, but sign of greater number plus 3, that's why I have written 3 only, and 3 upon 3 is 1. So this complete for x. Now for y, therefore y is equal to, we'll write y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. After that what is the value of y1 here, 6. What is the value of y2 here, bracket minus 2. Why I have put the bracket here, because there are two sign, plus is already there and y2 is negative, that is minus 2. So I have to put the bracket, so plus bracket minus 2 and y3 is plus 5 upon 3. After that 6, minus plus is minus 2 plus 5 upon 3. Minus plus is minus, plus minus is minus हो गया, yes or no. Then after that 6 minus 2 plus minus is minus, 6 minus 2 plus 5 upon 3. अभी 6 minus 2 कितना होता है, 6 minus 2 is nothing but 4 plus 5 upon 3. So what you will get, 4 plus 5 upon 3. Okay, then 4 plus 5 is nothing but 9, 9 upon 3. Divided 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9. What is the value of y is 3. कितना मिला 3. Therefore y equal to 3. Understood? तो y का वैल्यू कितना मिला 3. 4 plus 5 upon 3, 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 upon 3 is 3. So finally what we can write, so finally we can write here, therefore, okay, what we can write, therefore capital G x comma y is equal to, what is the value of x is 1 and y is 3, 1 comma 3. Okay, so this is the centroid. Therefore the centroid is, G को ही centroid बोलते हैं, centroid G is equal to 1 comma 3. So this complete the example. Understood? Now we can easily understand this. First what we have done here, first we have written the formula x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3. Then after that substitute the values, then calculating this you will get x equal to 1. Same way we have to calculate for y. For y we have written y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. After that y1 is 6, y2 is minus 2. Okay, plus minus is minus, so 6 minus 2 plus 5, that is 4 plus 5 upon 3, that will give you 3, y equal to 3. And finally we have to return in the G, that is G is nothing but what, x comma y, and x comma y is nothing but 1 comma 3. Therefore one centroid G is equal to 1 comma 3. So with this we have completed the first example, and same way we have to calculate the second example. Okay, so I hope you understood this example. Now we'll proceed with the second example. So now for the second example, again the 3 points are given. You can see 3 comma minus 5, yes, 4 comma 3, and another is 11 comma minus 4. So first of all we have to consider all 3 points with any point. कोई भी एक कंसिडरेशन कर सकते हैं हम लोग. तो क्या करना है हमको, कोई भी 3 पॉइंट को हम लोग सपोज करो पी क्यू आर, लेट पी सपोज कर लो. अभी ए बी सी सपोज किए ना फर्स्ट इसमें, तो सेकेंड में न्यू कोई कोऑर्डिनेट सपोज करो, तो पी क्यू आर, तो पी 3 कॉमा माइनस 5, कैपिटल क्यू 4 कॉमा 3, एंड कैपिटल R 11 कॉमा -4। ये पहले तीनों पॉइंट हम लोग क्या करेंगे, सपोज करेंगे। आफ्टर सपोजिंग दिस 3 पॉइंट वी हैव टू compare with x1 y1 x2 y2 and x3 y3. So after that we'll write p 3 comma minus 5 is equal to x1 comma y1, q 4 comma 3 is equal to x2 comma y2, and r 11 comma minus 4 is equal to x3 comma y3। अब इसका तुम डायग्राम भी देख सकते हैं। डायग्राम कैसा रहेगा, ये ट्राइंगल दिया है फॉर एग्जांपल, दैट इज पी क्यू आर एंड सपोज कैपिटल जी इज हियर, और ये जी का वैल्यू हमको कैलकुलेट करना है। तो जी को हम लोग क्या सपोज कर रहे हैं, एक्स कॉमा वाई। पी की कोऑर्डिनेट है x1 कॉमा y1, क्यू इज नथिंग बट x2 कॉमा y2 एंड आर इज नथिंग बट x3 कॉमा y3। तो यूजिंग दिस 3 कोऑर्डिनेट वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू ऑफ जी। अभी क्या करेंगे हम लोग, सिंपल फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे आगे, ठीक है। तो पहले इतना करने का डायग्राम बनाना है, एक्सप्लेनेशन एंड डायग्राम बनाना है। अब हम फॉर्मूला कैसे लिखेंगे, देखो बाय सेंट्रोइड फॉर्मूला। अब हमें फॉर्मूला लिखना है तो फर्स्ट लिखेंगे x इक्वल टू x1 प्लस x2 प्लस x3 अपॉन 3। ये सर नो फॉर्मूला क्या है, x इक्वल टू, थोड़ा ऊपर लिखता हूँ, व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला हियर, x इक्वल टू x1 प्लस x2 प्लस x3 अपॉन 3। अभी x1 x2 x3 हमें निकालना है। तो x1 कितना है 3, व्हाट इज वैल्यू ऑफ x2 इज 4, व्हाट इज वैल्यू ऑफ x3 इज 11। सो व्हाट वी कैन राइट हियर, 3 प्लस 4 प्लस 11 अपॉन 3। 3 प्लस 4 इज 7, ओके, 3 प्लस 4 इज 7, 7 प्लस 11 करना है। सो दिस विल बी 7 प्लस 11 अपॉन 3, 7 प्लस 11 व्हाट यू विल गेट 18, ओके, 18 अपॉन 3, ठीक है। इफ यू विल डिवाइड दिस, okay, 7 plus 11 is 18, 3 1s are 3, 3 6 are 18. What will be the value of x? You are getting x equal to 6. Complete? We are getting x equal to 6. Same way we have to calculate y. Y equal to y1 plus, okay, y2 plus y3. What we can write finally? y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. What is the value of y1? y1 is minus 5, y2 is 3, y2 is 3 and y3 is minus 4। 3 प्लस माइनस 4 है y3, तो ब्रैकेट लेके माइनस लेना है, ये याद रखो। y1 is minus 5, y2 is 3 and y3 is again minus 4। सो इधर प्लस साइन ऑलरेडी है, सो वी हैव टू पुट द ब्रैकेट। ये तुमको अंडरस्टैंड करना है, समझना है, ठीक है। एंड डिवाइड विथ 3, देन माइनस प्लस इज माइनस, ओके, देन माइनस 5 प्लस 3 इज minus 2, okay, minus plus is minus 5 minus 3 is minus 2, minus plus is again minus 4 upon 3, minus minus is plus, that is minus 6 upon 3. If you divide it, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, what you will get, y equal to minus 2. We have got the value y equal to minus 2. In the last we have to write, okay, then after that we have to write in the last one, that is therefore capital G x comma y is equal to, what is the value of x we are getting here, 6. What is the value of y we are getting here, minus 2. So we will write 6 comma minus 2. Therefore the centroid capital G is equal to 6 comma minus 2. Understood? So this is the example, and this complete the example, second example of centroid. So we have completed these 2 example, okay, from this practice set 5.2. So question was given, to find the centroid of the triangle. Triangle is nothing but any 3-sided figure. So here 3 vertices were given, and using these 3 vertices we have calculated the centroid. So I hope you understood the example. You have to just remember these 2 formulas, okay. The centroid formula is x equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3. For the y formula is y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. Y equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. So these 2 are very important formulae to calculate the centroid, and centroid is nothing but the midpoint and the center point of the triangle. So with this we have completed this chapter, that is coordinate geometry. So in the geometry we have totally completed 3 chapters. That is, first we have completed similarity, second we have completed Pythagoras theorem, and third we have completed this topic, that is coordinate geometry. Okay, so I hope you understood this example. Complete your notes, understand carefully, try to solve the more example for your practice at home. Thank you so much.